The internet revolutionized advertising. In the early days, banner ads were everywhere. They were simple. You clicked and you went to a website. It was the wild west of online marketing. But it was just the beginning. Then came 1994. GoTo.com launched a revolutionary idea, charging advertisers for clicks instead of impressions. This was the birth of pay-per-click PPC advertising. The game had changed. Marketers could now target their audiences more precisely and pay only when someone showed interest. This new model was a game changer. It allowed businesses to measure their return on investment, ROI, like never before. Early adopters saw incredible results. The internet was proving its potential as a powerful marketing channel. The late 1990s saw the rise of search engines like Yahoo and Google. These platforms became the new battleground for PPC advertising. Marketers realized the power of keywords. They bid on relevant terms to appear in search results. In 2000, Google launched AdWords, its self-serve advertising platform. This democratized PPC, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. No longer were you at the mercy of salespeople. You could set your own bids, write your own ads, and track your own campaigns. The introduction of Quality Score in 2005 was another pivotal moment. Google started rewarding advertisers who created relevant, high-quality ads. This ensured a better user experience and improved the overall effectiveness of PPC campaigns. Competition for top ad positions intensified, driving advertisers to optimize their campaigns for both relevance and quality. Social media platforms exploded in popularity in the mid-2000s. Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn emerged as new frontiers for PPC advertising. Marketers could now target audiences based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. Facebook ads launched in 2007, forever changing the social media landscape. It allowed businesses to target users with unprecedented precision. Imagine showing your ads to people who liked your page, visited your website, or even engaged with your competitors. It was revolutionary. Social media PPC opened up a whole new world of possibilities for marketers. It wasn't just about keywords anymore. It was about understanding your audience on a deeper level. Marketers could now craft highly targeted campaigns that resonated with specific user segments. The smartphone revolution changed everything. Mobile devices became the primary way people accessed the internet. This shift had a profound impact on PPC advertising. Google announced mobile-first indexing in 2016, prioritizing the mobile version of websites for ranking and ad delivery. Mobile optimization became crucial for PPC success. Advertisers had to adapt their landing pages, ad copy, and bidding strategies for mobile users. This meant shorter headlines, concise ad copy, and mobile-friendly landing pages. New ad formats emerged, designed specifically for mobile devices. App install ads and location-based targeting became increasingly popular. The mobile revolution forced marketers to rethink their entire approach to PPC. It was no longer enough to simply have a mobile-friendly website. The evolution of PPC has been driven by data. As tracking and analytics tools became more sophisticated, marketers gained deeper insights into campaign performance. This data-driven approach allowed for continuous optimization and improvement. A/B testing became an integral part of PPC. Marketers could experiment with different ad variations, landing pages, and bidding strategies to identify the most effective approaches. This iterative process allowed them to refine their campaigns and maximize ROI. The rise of marketing automation further enhanced the power of data. Tools like marketing automation platforms and bid management software automated repetitive tasks, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and optimization. This freed up valuable time and resources, enabling them to manage larger and more complex campaigns. The future of PPC is exciting. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are already playing a significant role in campaign optimization. These technologies analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, enabling marketers to make smarter decisions. AI-powered tools can automate bid adjustments, personalize ad copy, and even create landing pages. This allows marketers to scale their campaigns and reach wider audiences while maintaining a high level of relevance and personalization. The use of AI in PPC is still in its early stages, but it holds immense potential for the future. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative PPC strategies and tools to emerge. The key to success in this ever-changing landscape will be to embrace innovation, stay informed, and adapt to the latest trends. The future of PPC is bright, and those who embrace the power of data and technology will be well positioned for success.